morning everybody. I am so Avtar madam from Lanza Junior College. Today we are going to discuss the differentiation of implicit functions, that is exercise 1.3. The sub question number 3 and sub questions are 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us solve the examples one by one. First one is root x plus root y equal to root a. See here, differentiating with respect to x. Up to this we solve the examples like this: y equal to x cube plus 4x square plus sin x. See here, the RHS is completely x function. Okay, we got these functions are explicit functions. Now see here both the terms are present, so these functions are called implicit functions. Next, we are differentiating this function with respect to x. Differentiation of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. Differentiation of root y is 1 upon 2 root y into dy upon dx. And differentiation of root a, it is a constant number, therefore it is 0. Okay. Now collect the terms dy upon dx on LHS and transfer the simple term. Okay. Next, here it is plus, it becomes dy upon dx equal to minus 2 root x. Sorry, this becomes here on cross multiplication 2 root x. 2 get cancels. We can write this as under the same square root sign, that is minus square root of y upon x. Next, consider the second example. The second example is x root x plus y root y equal to a root a. Now first simplify this example. We can write root x as x raised to 1 upon 2 plus y raised to 1 upon 2 into a equal to a raised to 1 upon 2. By theory of indices, we can write it here. Bases are same. Add the powers. Here power is 1. 1 plus 1 upon 2. Make the denominator same. 2 plus 1. This is equal to 3 upon 2. Therefore, this becomes x raised to 3 upon 2 plus y raised to 3 upon 2 equal to a raised to 3 upon 2. Now, this step is ready for differentiation. That is d dx of x raised to 3 upon 2 plus y raised to 3 upon 2 equal to a raised to 3 upon 2. We can write this separately also. d dx of a raised to 3 upon 2. Now, see here, apply here differentiation of x raised to n formula. That is n into the bracket x raised to n minus 1. Here n equal to 3 upon 2. So write 3 upon 2 x raised to 3 upon 2 minus 1 plus 3 upon 2 y raised to 3 upon 2 minus 1. Next, differentiation of constant term. 3 upon 2 y raised to 3 upon 2 minus 1. Here we are going to differentiate y with respect to x. So write here dy upon dx. And the differentiation of constant term is 0. Now 3 upon 2 x raised to 3 upon 2 minus 1 gives 1 upon 2. So write here 1 upon 2. Here also 3 upon 2 y raised to 1 upon 2 into dy upon dx. This is equal to 0. Now write this equation as 3 upon 2 y raised to 1 upon 2 dy upon dx equal to, transfer this on RHS, minus 3 upon 2 x raised to 1 upon 2. Now on both sides we have 3 upon 2, cancel it. We get dy upon dx equal to minus x raised to 1 upon 2 divided by y raised to 1 upon 2. We can write this as dy upon dx equal to minus square root of x upon 1. This is the answer. Next, consider the third example. The third example is x plus square root of xy plus y equal to 1. Okay. Next, differentiating with respect to x. Differentiation of x is 1. See, differentiation of root of xy. How we are going to write? First write 1 upon 2 root xy into d dx of xy plus d dx of y, and differentiation of 1 is 0. So 1 plus 1 divided by 2 root xy. Here we are going to differentiate xy. Apply here the product formula of differentiation, that is u into dv upon dx plus v into du upon dx. So write x dy upon dx plus y, differentiation of x is 1, means u dv upon dx plus v into du upon dx plus dy upon dx. This is equal to 0. Now simplify this, multiply the term x divided by 2 square root of xy into dy upon dx, and multiply this plus y divided by 2 square root of xy plus dy upon dx equal to 0. Now collect the terms dy upon dx. X, here before going to write that, we can write this example. See, here it is x, we can write x into root x into root x into root y. 1 root x get cancelled, we get root x upon y. So write here root x divided by 2 root y into dy upon dx, plus here also write, here denominator is y, we can write root y into root y, and denominator is root x into root y. So 1 root y get cancels, here we get root y divided by 2 root x plus dy upon dx equal to 0. Now collect the terms dy upon dx. See, root x divided by 2 root y into dy upon dx plus dy upon dx. Next, transfer the simple term. Which are the simple term here? Minus plus tends to minus 1 and minus root of y divided by 2 roots. Okay, we can write this example taking dy upon dx as a common, root x divided by 2 root y plus 1. Here becomes, here minus, taking minus as a common, 1 plus root y divided by 2 root x. By making the denominator same, means here we are going to multiply denominator and numerator by 2 root y, then denominators become same, 2 root y, and numerator becomes 2 root y. Okay. Here also we are going to make the denominator same, means we are going to divide it and multiply by 2 root x. We get 2 root x plus root y divided by 2 root x. Next, dy upon dx equal to, we can write 2 root x plus root y divided by 2 root x whole divided by root x plus 2 root y divided by 2 root y. Now this is of the form a by b, c by d. Therefore we can write this terms 2 root y into the bracket 2 root x plus root y whole divided by 2 root x into the bracket root x plus 2 root y. Here 2 get cancels. We can write the answer, that is root y into the bracket 2 root x plus root y divided by root x into the bracket root x plus 2 root y. This is the answer. Next, consider the fourth example. The fourth example is x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube equal to 18. We can differentiate. Differentiating with respect to x. Differentiation of x cube, apply x raised to n formula. This becomes 3x square. See here there are two functions, so apply UP formula. Differentiation of put x square constant dy upon dx plus y, differentiation of x square is 2x. Okay. Plus here also x, differentiation of y square is 2y dy upon dx plus y square, differentiation of x is 1. See here, this is 3x square u dv upon dx plus v du upon dx plus next term apply here product formula of differentiation. X, differentiation of y square is 2y into dy upon dx plus y square, differentiation of x is 1 plus differentiation of y cube is 3y square, differentiation of 81 is 0. So simplify 3x square plus x square dy upon dx plus 2xy, take the terms outside the bracket, dy upon dx plus y square plus 3y square equal to 0. See here, this term, this term, this term, this term and the last term, that is 3y square dy upon dx equal to 0. So write here dy upon dx equal to 0. 3y square and differentiation of y with respect to x dy upon dx. Now collect the terms dy upon dx, that is x square plus 2xy plus 3y square. These are the terms of dy upon dx. Next, transfer the simple terms. Here 3x square, 2xy and y square. We are going to transfer these terms on RHS, therefore signs are going to change. Minus 3x square minus 2xy minus y square. Therefore dy upon dx equal to, we can write taking here minus sign common, 3x square plus 2xy plus y square divided by x square plus 2xy plus 3y square. This is the answer. Goodbye. We will see the next example in the next video.